Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm just going to get to it. So this was quite a difficult sketch to try and capture, and I chose this one purely because of the difficulty, the difficulty is? The hard, you know what I mean, the difficulty in actually being able to capture this and do it well. So her head was tilted up, her mouth was slightly open, and her eye, because she was slightly looking up, the eyebrows then tilted back, as well as the eyelid was folded slightly, so hence why she looks like that. She actually looks a little bit sad as well in the photo. So I think I'm actually starting to be able to capture emotions as well, which is one of the things I really wanted to try and start doing. Sketch 1 took me 3 minutes 10 seconds. This took me 3 minutes 20, oh my word, 3 minutes 10 seconds, 2.5 minutes, and 2 minutes. This one I felt the eyes were not, the eyes should have been larger for the actual head, because the bottom of the face looks larger than the rest of the head, so the mouth should be slightly less fuller and wide. So I'm happy with the overall results. I'm happy at the fact that I'm able to capture the ratios and the emotion, and utilise these methods and create a good start for my sketch. Thanks guys!